Hello Silver Chips, it is Grace and this is a guide to the toolbar on InDesign. So when you first open InDesign, it's going to look like this. Of course it will be blank, but there's going to be a lot of lines. A really simple way to kind of get a better preview of your page. I mean, these are helpful, but they definitely get in the way of design. So you go into this little view option and you take away frame edges and guides. You want to keep on smart guides and rulers. You'll see why when you start designing, but they're really helpful to make sure text is aligned and everything like that. So starting from the top left, we have our selection tool. This is the probably most used tool that we have. You can move text boxes, align things. Okay, and then we have our direct selection tool. This one you're going to be using during text wrapping to kind of do shapes if you can't do, a uniform text wrap job. And I'm not going to go into depth with that because that's kind of text wrapping video. The second one is our gap tool. This is a quick, easy way to check that you have everything spaced the correct way. I'm just hovering over and pressing down. And see, that one's actually not the same. Oh, good to know. Moving to our type tool, you won't actually have to use this that often since most of our elements with text are in the Creative Cloud library. But if you need to, it's pretty simple. You just drag and drop, say hello. Then we have our anchor point tool, which is really helpful. So this is our pen tool right here, but when you're using text alignment, this is how you add anchor points and remove them. Pretty easy. Our rectangle tool, I love to use this early in my drafts to kind of block out space for elements, whether they're art or photo or graphics, just so I can have a visual of what it might look like. Moving down, we have, this is a zoom tool. I don't know, there's this keyboard shortcut. It's Command or Control plus or minus. And yeah, this stuff you don't have to worry about in this video. This is the weight of the line around our rectangle, sorry. And this is our text wrapping options. So these are all like at least these things and that and this. Those are more text wrapping, tools. So just for creating a page, basically the only tool you're going to be using is your selection tool. That's the tool that you should be on the most, just because all the other tools are kind of for specific things that you don't really need, especially in the first draft of things. I hope this helped you out. Remember, in the beginning it's going to look kind of weird. It's going to have these guides. Just turn those off. It gives you a better preview of the page without, having it super busy. Okay, well, I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.